a dime. You'll know it's me when I come through your town.
That's a good one. Well, let's change the subject briefly. Ford is building the Fusion here in America. Can they make money selling what they call a mid-sized car? Hold on a second. Ford's chief, Alan Mulally, is going to be right here in just a couple of minutes. All right, let's get back to the big story with market watcher Ed Butowski in Dallas. Ed, if we have a delayed, limited strike in Syria, or there's no strike at all, do you think stocks go straight back up and oil straight down? I'm not saying this is going to happen, but what if it did?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's obviously, we don't know what's going to happen. But I think if there is a strike, we are absolutely going to see stock prices go down because you're going to see oil prices go up because any reaction is really what we're concerned about. Not so much the reaction from Syria, but the reaction from Iran and what they might do. So I believe that is going to be a negative for stocks because oil prices will go up right away.
Any action, any military action on our part, negative for stocks. Up goes oil. That's
in the short run. In the short run, Stuart, yes.
All right, thanks very much, Ed. Now, the opening bell, it is ringing. It's 9:30 almost precisely. Here we go. What are we going to do today? The opening trend is down. We're off 6 points in the very early going. Not much of a loss. I'm going to call it flat to slightly lower. I've got to tell you about this. There's a big telecom deal in the works. Got to tell you about it. Vodafone confirms that it is in talks with Verizon to sell its stake in their U.S. joint venture. I think they're talking about $100 billion here. The two stocks, please, Lauren.
Yep, they are talking about $100 billion. The two stocks are up sharply. If you look at Vodafone, it's up 8.5% at a new high. Those shares, as they traded in London, were at a 12-year high. Verizon is rocking as well, up $2.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's a bright spot. Right now, I'm looking at the Dow down at 28 points. That puts it back to the 14.7 level. And I've got to tell everybody about a week. Well, I'm going to talk about clothing retailers. We've talked a lot about them in the past couple of weeks. I've got a different story today. Guess that company posted solid profits, improving sales. They must love the jeans that they sell. What's this? Up 13%. Is that right, Lauren? 13%. Are you still there? 13%? Ouch. Okay. Good news. Should you get $15 an hour for flipping burgers? Thousands of fast food workers think so. They're walking off the job today in protest. So, Lauren, come on back in. Any reaction? I don't expect a reaction to the fast food stocks, but
very
anything?
small. Wendy's is flat, as is Yum Brands, which owns Taco Bell and KFC. But you have a nice 0.5% move for McDonald's, a Dow component. I actually went by one of these strikes